Can you hear me?
Wow.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear.
Okay. So I got that new thing plugged in. I just wanted to test it.
Yeah, you're good to go, bro.
Good deal.
You're good to go.
I like it.
Good morning, man.
Morning,
What
morning, everybody.
morning.
Let's get to YouTube. See what we got
What a
there.
morning. What a morning. Everything's
Well,
gonna be okay.
every little thing is gonna be all right.
This JFBR gotta break this 450.
You could pin that when you want. Waiting
That's
room waiting.
that's looking good. Go ahead, go ahead. Welcome, welcome, YouTubers. Good morning, good morning. We here, first time live. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Welcome.
Come into the Zoom.
Welcome to the Zoom. Welcome to YouTube. Share, 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 share. Hit that little emoji over there. Let YouTube know that, we live. We're live and in the Zen zone. Appreciate that. Hit the like, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and also check one of those links there. Come and join us. Subscribe to our channel. I gotta find a new thing there for Weeble and give you to put out there. Don't put those Weeble one out there. I think that one expired, ain't it?
Oh, the referral link?
Yeah,
Yeah. Let me see.
I think the 1/9, I think. Hello, 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 hello.
Coin Weeble today. It still says it's good.
The link is up top there, Kiwi.
Oh yeah, that one's
Yeah,
expired.
it's pinned to
Yeah.
the chat up here. Just hit that link and you should get access to that.
I won't put the Weeble link in.
So hit that emoji sign over there. I like the happy face because I'm just a happy guy. I'm just a happy, happy, happy guy. Coin. What a trade on coin this morning. Wow.
Seven
Jasper,
points.
let's look at 450 on JBFR. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. I think we're getting ready to get here, right?
You're on MIM? Okay, let me see.
$5. Look at this rejection up there at $5. Look through how many times?
Big time rejection.
How many times free market? One, two, three, four, five, six times after market is open. But look where it's at. There's a lot happening right here at 5. A lot happened at 5. There you go, buddy. 440 is a short. It's right there right now. I'm not looking to short this stuff.
It's going short. Mara.
No cost. Good. Oh no, I don't want to show that. 682. That's a borrowing fee for that.
Is it really?
682.
Wow.
Well, 682%. Sorry, don't want to put that out. That's the percent you will be paying. Way to go, Green Day coin. I'm ready to come out of coin. Let's go back to coin here. I'm ready for coin.
That's your partial then.
Yeah, that's my partial. I'm gonna come out. Let's write coin. This is my platform here. It's just everything's slow.
Mm-hmm.
I want to short coin. Find some support here on coin. See. Morning, Ashad. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Good, good. We're here
Good.
fighting this market. You know how it is. First week of the year, we're always gonna have this problem with the market. Always gonna have this problem with the market. All these meme stocks are up, man. OMGA. Bears are in control right now in the market. All markets are up though. Across the board, Dow, NASDAQ, S&P, Russell 2000 is all up. 25 or $16 on the S&P, 14 on the NASDAQ, and 230 on the Dow, 231 on the Dow. And still going. ATXI. ATXI. Talked about this the other day.
No, don't mention that. TXI.
Yeah. Need
The
your
whole
background in your thing there, Mark.
What's that?
Need your background.
Oh, the noise?
No. Saying your collage in the back.
Oh,
Zen zone.
yeah. Gotta get a background.
Nice gap up this morning here.
Got
From
that at
17
9.
cents. Wow. Wow. Definitely. There we go. He's on his phone there, iPhone, connecting. Audible. Welcome, sir.
He was
Glad to
iPhone.
have you.
ASBR is back down to 4.
Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
JFPR is back down to 4,
Yeah,
brother.
what's going on, Kiwi? Another green day?
You're muted, Kiwi. You got to unmute yourself.
Another green day. You gotta unmute yourself there.
There's a button that's there he
There
goes.
you go. You're good to go.
Hey guys, good morning. Thanks for having me, Steve. Good morning, Mark. Good morning,
Good
everybody.
morning.
Yeah. Green day for
Glad
you
to-
today on Tesla, huh?
No, Green Day for me on Omega.
Omega. Okay. That's
OMG,
gonna do
yeah, I took it in the pre-market.
Yeah.
That in my NM.
Nice. Yeah, the market is gonna slow down now. It's just the first week of the year, so this is expected. Not too much volume. A lot of the meme stocks are pumping, so you got to take advantage of that, either pre-market or when they open.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I'm waiting for coin to get back over this 160 here. If not, I'm gonna cut it short. The rest of the partial deal on coin. Coin was good this morning.
Hey, when do you expect, Steve? When do you expect institutional buyers to come back?
Next week.
Gotcha.
Next week, for sure. It's the first week. Everybody's still on vacation. All the big wigs are still out.
Copy.
Now it's just our retail trader and bots and AI is trading the market right now.
Got it.
We got to try to survive this kind of market. I love it. Take it easy. Take it easy. No rush, nothing. Let the stock come to you. All three market are up, man. If you look at all three market across the board, they the same pattern. Same pattern, except for the Russell 2000. It's so choppy. But if you look at Dow and NASDAQ and the S&P, same chart. Same chart.
Yeah, SPY's still nice and green.
Yeah. Let's analyze the SPY real quick. Let me see Boyle first before I get out to the SPY. See what Boyle is. Are you green today, Mark?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, man. Ashad, are you green today? Boyle coming back up. All right, let me get out of Boyle real quick before I go into
Yes, I'm green today.
let me get out of Boyle real quick. That's all I know. Day number 3, right?
Yep.
Starting off though here, great, man. That's what it is. All right, let me get out
Thank
of Boyle right now. I'm gonna get out of Boyle. And then watch for Boyle at 33.40 back up. Let me go here. Let's go to the S&P and see what the S&P is doing. SPY. Remember we talked about this yesterday. So you should be watching these levels. All right. All right. So you see where we at, right? We talk about where the consolidation here, area, the accumulation at this level here, right? On the SPY, here we go. Target, second target, boom. 470. All right, we talk about 470. All right, here we go. Everything is being done. There you go, the next break now. 470. Let's get this out of here. 472.
Morning, Bashan.
Okay. That's with the trend to the upside, okay? We already break our levels already. The next break is over 470. 472, okay? Let's get that out. All right, so it's testing 470 now, okay? We've been here yesterday. Remember, yesterday, we have some pullback here yesterday. Here again today, all right? So if the SPY break this level, you know that 472 is attainable. All right, so let's leave this, put this, so we know where we stand. Orange, okay? So we're gonna be in this phase right here, this box. All right. Entry 470. Let's change that again. 470 was the entry, right? That out. 471 is going to be the next one. 71 is the next one. Who's in the chat here? Good morning. Good morning. Coin on the pullback. I want it coin on the pullback. 471. Happy New Year to everybody out there. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Happy New Year, Steve.
It's,
Happy New Year, guys.
yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Happy New Year's, everybody.
So this is the next low here. Underneath this level, we're gonna short the SPY, right? So that would be the short. So two things you're looking for, right? The market give up. You're gonna look to short the SPY to this orange line here. That would be your target, right? If the SPY continue the trend, we're gonna break this 471. You could take a point. You could take 50 cents, you could take 80 cents. It's all up to you, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you set your quantity right, your stop loss right, your target right. But if the market keep going up, it did it yesterday at this level here, right? Pre-market, before the market closed and pop, right? Let's see if we could get it today. And again, we're still in the first week of trading, so don't expect too much, right? But this 471, the SPY, if it gets there, we have this ability to get there to 472, okay? So this is your range that the SPY is traded in for the last 2 days, okay? That's it.
Hey, Steve, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Those your two target lines on the SPY, are those? I noticed going back a couple of days ago, there's a higher day for the SPY at 472.88. Are you taking your target level for 42 off that, or what are you doing to figure out that target?
Let's see here. All
I
right,
think
let's go
about
back. I'm not even gonna go to the day. I'll go back just 2 days. Okay. Let's go back 2 days. Come on. Sorry about my platform is slow. Okay. This is what? Day 1, right? This is a couple days. 1, 2, 3 days, right?
Yep.
Look at this candle here on the SPY, how it spiked up. It spiked up all the way to that on 1, 2. This is the first day of the year, right? Look at 476. Okay. So this is the range to start the year off. This is the year. I'm just going by the beginning of the year. Okay.
Gotcha.
Okay. This is a support and resistance level. So if the SPY is going to continue to run, this is the highest it's going to go, at least, right? Or reach back up to where it opened up on the first of the year, right? Which is the second,
Right.
Worst case scenario. So I'm looking at it as if it's going to come up, it's got to break all these support area to come back up, because it came down support here, went back up, didn't go back up to meet where to make the high of the day, right? Stay below it and just stay in this range here and then right back down. And that's the only point right here at this level here where I see some kind of spike for indicator. It didn't even break this level here. Okay,
Right.
473. So if it's going to break higher, this is where I want to see it first. And then again, for it to break this level here, I need some momentum today. Taking consideration is just 3 days into the week, into the year. We're not going to get as much in the market as we would like to. The second week, maybe the third week in January, we'll get some volume coming back to the market. So yesterday we talked about the SPY breaking those levels. I took those line out. That 470, right, was the level that the SPY need to break. Okay, and it broke that this morning, right? This was yesterday. This was yesterday. Okay.
Gotcha.
Here's the resistance. The resistance here, broke through the resistance, came down and find support down here at 468, right? It was so choppy here yesterday. Look at how choppy it was. Wasn't really good to trade the market, but look at this candle here. It established where it wanted to go, right? So from here is the support, and 470 was the break. That's all you had to wait for it to break. Look, it broke it this morning. That's all you had to wait for it to break the 470. Boom. Now look, it's gone. But that's if you were paying attention to the SPY. So now, here we are, 471. We broke 470. Now we attempting to break 471. And you could look for, depends on your trading style. You want to look for 50 cents, you want to look for $1. You're looking for 50 cents to make $1.50. You know, you're risking $1 to make $2. It's all up to you. Okay. Here's another support, trying to build another support here on the SPY. So this becomes support now, right? At the 470.60, right? You want to move your stop loss if this is 470.60, right? You want to give yourself a 60-cent stop loss right down here, or a 40-cent stop loss. That's how you measure that, right? You could go as far as all the way down here and give yourself a 60 cents. 60 cent, risk 60 cents to make $1, you know, stuff like that. You just got to know what your risk tolerance is. But that's how I would treat the SPY. As you can see, there's some accumulation right here. and resisted at 471. So I would be watching that. Touch it
Thank you.
twice today. Yes, absolutely. But I love it, man. I love it when the stock does what you want it to do. And that's just waiting for the stock to come to you. Coin was a great trade today. Magnificent trade. Tesla. Tesla finally got up.
If I had some locates, I would have joined you, Steve, on coin.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely. I mean, I try to get the stock pick out there early at 9 o'clock. Sometime earlier. Tesla have some rejection up there at the top. Go ahead and take some more partial off Tesla here. I don't like it. Take some partial off there. Another partial. That's a great day. The other stock I'm trying to watch is this
Steve, JZYL is down $21 today.
back to zero. We got out right time, man. We got out the right time. For sure.
Any of you guys using interactive brokers?
No, I don't. Anyone use interactive brokers?
Yes, seen.
Then Yasin does.
You see, on Tesla, are you getting, so what's happening when I'm looking at the charts on my 5 minute on Tesla, I get a sudden spike in price.
On
Then I have to keep-
IBKR.
Yeah.
I don't look at IBKR charts. They are the
Right.
worst charts in the world. And even on your purchases, I mean on your stock holding, the price is not there. You're looking at the price. I mean Tesla. Let's look at Tesla now. Yeah, okay, Tesla, it's okay, but so many other stocks, the price doesn't change accordingly, and I have to keep on looking at Webull to get the exact prices.
Oh, okay. So you've got an account with Webull as well?
Yeah, I don't know if you can see me.
Yep.
When I'm talking, can you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is how I.
Okay.
Okay. So I
Okay.
look at the charts here, and I just use my platform for buying and selling. I cannot trade on the platform. It's
It's rubbish.
yeah, it's yeah.
Okay.
I mean that
Uh,
the country got to get a better platform to. I mean,
You know what it is, Steve? They've kind of linked in with TradingView, so you can get some TradingView type charts on there. But
okay.
I was looking at the VWAP the other day, and it was miles off. So it's not very good. I mean, they've got it as a beta platform, but it's shit.
Yeah.
yeah.
You don't want to be managing that when you're trying to get trades in.
Yeah. It's almost like me now with Webull. It's a little bit slow. I don't know why it is, but you know. So let's attack.
Steve, you were a day earlier on WBA. The short was today.
We still
Yeah.
took yesterday. WBA.
Oh, well, yesterday also was a good short. Yeah, went to 25, and today it fell to 22.
Yeah. No, you gotta watch it, man. Watch those stuff. It's still early.
And then I took it long.
Now, I'll tell you something on WBA. Hold on a minute. WBA. Hold on.
And I took it over the VWAP.
Tell you something. WBA. Let's see, WBA is for Friday, Thursday, which is today. Yeah, today.
Mm.
WBA and LW. Might as well go to LW. Oh, that was nice. Nice recovery off the bottom, though. Look to
Yeah.
that big up right here.
Yeah, I shorted it and then I took it long.
We have some resistance here.
Yeah,
I like
it is
this right
cold,
here.
cold up there. I need Tesla to fall, man.
It's 24. 24 break on 24 break. Break. I like this here.
I think the WBA is done the dipping. Maybe it can fall more. I'm not sure, but it stopped right at support. So I took it long. Already took 2 trades on that already.
WBA.
Yeah, I took it so at 22 something, 22.97, and I closed it at 23.50. And then I took again now at 23.90 something. 24.
There's some
Gave me a 20.
resistance right here, as you can see that there.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to go above 24, so then I'll maybe add in.
Look for 40 cents on this trade here. Stop loss. Risk 50 cents to make 50 cents. Anything more than that. It's 50 cents to make 50 cents. Okay. 3 cents to go. See if we could get this nice little break here. Penny to go. Nine. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we could get this break on WBA. Risking 50 cents to make 50. All right, boom, right on the money. Thank you. Been trying not to give me on my money as of late. Come on. Let's see. As we speak about WB. Come on. Risking 50 cents to make 50 cents. Okay? To get more than 50 cents, we okay. You could risk less if you choose to. Sure, $160 a few minutes ago. We're even. 24, 24. Move back. See, somebody drop some stuff up here at 24.
It's at peak now.
Well, you already know. There it
Mhm.
is. That's the resistance level. See how many
Mhm.
times? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th time. Come on. Get up here. We don't need much.
You guys looked at Omega?
No, I didn't look at Omega. I saw you guys trading. I was trading the other MIM. MIM nothing, 160.
Yeah, I got hit with an MINM. It went up and
The other one, JFBR, waiting on that one too at 450. JFBR.
JFBR.
Yeah.
You managed to
Omega's a
short
nice
the.
low float.
You managed to short um which one we traded yesterday that gave you a hit? NXE.
Oh yeah, we creamed that, man. We creamed
Yeah,
next.
but the IBKR doesn't let you short all these small specs. They don't let you short it, and that's unfair, man. Because I went onto the Webull on my paper trading, and I shorted there, and it went through, but I couldn't trade it on IBKR. They just keep on blocking. Even MINM, they don't let you short.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's a bit.
yeah, it's pressure right there. Somebody
Mhm.
just sold out on
WBA fall.
yeah,
It's falling.
JFBR. JFBR is trying to find support here at $4.
JFBF.
Yeah, $4.
Oh, there's so many of them. Which one is it? 409.
No, JFBR.
Ah,
John,
BR.
Frank, brother,
Romeo.
Robert.
Okay, okay.
It's a nice low
Oh,
float too.
Uh,
It's a nice low float that
yeah,
stock, Steve. I looked in the on Edgar too. They've got a. They look like somebody just invested 250K.
yeah, yeah. Somebody pull out here at the 24 here.
mhm. I'm looking at Disney. Disney did the same thing yesterday. $90 straight was the dip on the dot. And today again, $90 on the dot. Not a cent less, not a cent more. Wow. Mm.
It's a big gap. See that spike on the bottom of that candle here? Come on,
Steve, where is this market going, man?
to the moon.
No, it's not. Look at the Nexi today. 590.
It's gonna go to 1,000, Yasin. wherever, wherever that is.
Going to, yeah, Spice going to 6,000. Somebody, I don't know if it was on news or on CNBC, I heard or wherever they said, no, the Spice is going to go to 6,000.
He's probably high on something else.
On next it gotta be over $6 on next. Next week, $6.
MicroStrategy again running today.
We already missed the $5 break on this. 570. 570.
You know what? Nothing's happening in the market for me.
What's happening in the market, period.
I just want my Tesla to go down. I got a short on Tesla. and we are bleeding.
20 cents. Somebody's dropping right here. They're dropping. So now you know 24 is that key area for WBA. Next is down 8% so far. What else you looking at, Kiwi?
Steve,
Sorry, my bad. Nothing else yet, big dog.
All right. See if we
Steve,
can-
how do you get the direction of the stock, man?
How do I get the direction of the stock?
Yeah, I mean, you send out the alerts, right? So I looked at MINM, right? MINM.
Hold on.
So what I did, I looked at the pre-market. I looked at the high was 5.6. Right, I looked at the low was 4.6. So above 5.6, I will take it long, and below 4.6, I will take it short.
So what happened in between all of that? You're just gonna wait for one or the other then?
Yeah, is that how you look at it?
That's what getting your assessment. It all depends on how the stock is traded. You could look at it like that if you want. But there's other things going on in the middle of that, the high and low.
Okay,
means-
leave that
means you have a
one
range
there.
at that point.
No, leave that one there out because coin is more interesting. Did you take coin first short?
No, I took coin long.
Okay, so you didn't short it off the at the open.
No, I took it long.
So my question is at market open at 9:30. When did you take your trade?
I'll have to go back and check it. Give me a minute.
9.
Go and check 152. Check the level at
I'm
152.
checking one. There's two levels at 152. So is it either the market open around 9:35 after 5 minutes, or did you take
Check
on the third?
152. That's the entry.
I've got 152. I've got 1, 2, 3. 3 levels at 152. So when you took your trade, did it go down? Can I know what's on it?
I would have to check the chart. Let me assess this WB first.
Oh,
To my stop loss it pulled back 30 cents, 29 cents.
oh my goodness. Oh, WBA. I'm gonna give up what I made. Yeah, always happens. Every time you take the trade, the second time knocks you off your feet.
Well, you gotta wait. You gotta wait for your numbers.
We did. Yes, Tesla, come down. I want Tesla to come down. It needs to come down. It needs to come down. Needs to
Yeah,
come down.
the SPY coming down.
The SPY is coming down. WBA is going up.
All right, let's assist Tesla because I gotta come out the other 200 shares here.
Yeah. It's Tesla is using the VWAP as support.
Yeah, then we could break VWAP. We could watch for VWAP break.
I wanted to break today. I wanted to break.
All
Okay.
right, so let's do this on Tesla. I'm gonna come out the rest of share size on Tesla. And then we'll go back to the market, find out what's going on in the market. All right, Tesla was a good trade today, and I'll go to one. So 240.70 on the way back down on Tesla. Okay? And then 242 would be the next break for Tesla to the upside. Okay?
Okay, yeah.
I like Tesla. Let's get out. Let's get this here on Tesla. All right. VWAP break. Let's go. Let's know what you're going to do at the support level here. Let's see. Okay, come on. Remember support level here, right? Target. If we break VWAP, this is our target here. Next support level. Watch VWAP. Tesla, let's go. See what we do here. Stop loss would be the top, right? Top of this red candle here. Okay. Okay, let's go. Come on. Take it. Come on. Oh, goodness. Jeez. This my. Come on, Tesla. Back. Ah, almost 20 cents. All right, stop loss on Tesla. Okay, previous candle, stop loss. Okay, would be this candle here. Okay, nothing more. And our target for the next support level. Not looking for big gains right now because the market is not moving significantly fast, right? Very slow. So take what you could get. Even if you have to scalp. Got a bottoming tail here.
Goes up slowly and comes down like a rocket.
Okay, hold on. Okay, man. Yeah, I'm okay. Come on, Tesla. Okay, stop loss. Go.
Down, 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 down. Come on, Neil. Sit down.
Coming. Come on down. Come on down. The car in the way.
Oh, goodness. Missed the apple short again. I creamed apple this morning.
Did you make a pie out of it?
I ate it already.
Man.
I just want to get my Tesla shorts events against me. It was open since yesterday. I was aiming for Tesla to go to 32 today.
Seem like we're
Hey.
having some issue right here. See this previous
Spy bouncing back.
we're having some issue right here again. Same thing with Tesla.
Hey, Ashad, you got a copy?
Huh?
Is Hey, Ashad, can you hear me?
Ashad.
Ashad? I was just
Yeah, what happened?
I was just gonna make a tongue-in-cheek comment, Steve. I was just gonna ask you when you creamed the apple this morning, did you cream it the American way or the English way?
Portuguese.
English. English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm with you, partner. I live over here in the U.S. I married a U.S. citizen, but
Yeah.
they do apple pie differently over here, and I gotta
Yeah,
say I do prefer the English way.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually,
What's the difference?
I'm in Canada, but my back home is from Pakistan, so it's therefore
Oh, you from
I
Pakistan?
yeah, I'm
कैसे हो
from
भाई? कैसे हो? ठीक हो?
ठीक ठाक हूँ यासिन भाई, आप
आप ठीक
बताओ।
ठाक?
हाँ, ठीक ठाक।
Yes, Yasin, you speak Urdu?
Yeah,
I noticed that.
Yasin
Yeah.
know the Urdu.
Yeah, I speak Urdu. I learned it from the movies.
Oh
Ah.
yeah, Hindi
मैं
movies.
मैं पंजाबी बोल रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, आप
हाँ,
पंजाबी
पंजाबी नहीं आती हमको. पंजाबी बहुत बहुत नहीं आती.
ठीक,
नहीं।
बथेरी आती है तो.
Guys, apple shot, man. Apple shot. Apple shot.
I can understand Punjabi, but not speak.
Hey,
Okay.
Steve, you got an international team over here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. We love it,
that's
man. We love it.
it's the Zine Trader
Yeah.
International
Yeah,
Traders, baby.
the trader, international trader.
I'm trying to tell you, man.
Yeah,
Hey,
every
listen,
country people is
listen.
gather here.
2024 is gonna be amazing. I'm
Yeah,
just
sure.
trying to say.
Yeah, sure.
Agree.
And
We already starting off the year already good. 3 green days in a row, man. So we're doing good. We complete
Mhm.
tomorrow. That'll be 4. And trust me, you start building these green days, man. You're not gonna worry about red days because all you're gonna see is green, right? The idea is to get in your mind, I'm not gonna be red today. I'm gonna be green. That's my philosophy. Okay. I don't look for red. Even though this trade is red, I know I'm going to end the day green. Right? Because I'm trusting the process. I'm trusting my trade. And if the trade go against me, I know I have my stop loss in to protect me. Right? I just don't watch the trade just keep dumping and hoping that it's going to come back. That's why the stop loss are set in. And just like I said before, look at this area here. Look what Tesla started to do here again. So it looked like it wants to do the same thing action over here, this accumulation right here. Look at the bottom in tails. 1, 2, right? Here we go again. And then pump. Let's see if that happened. If it's happened, then you have your stop loss here. And then we could take this trade if it's going to do the same thing at this level, right? We take it right up. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Right there. Right? So your stop loss is in place to protect you. And if the stock go the other way, you could come out and then go the other way. But to go the other way, you need that momentum to push the stock up. Right now, there's no volume. This last candle is 3. Oh, look at this one now. It just show okay, this one here, 360. The volume is 360. Look at the one before. Over 1.2 million shares. That's crazy. Okay. You just got to know what's happening in the market. Just watch it. I love trading Tesla. I know if I get a losing trade on Tesla, I know by the day end, I will get a green trade on Tesla and then some. If I have to wait 5 minutes before the market closes, I will get Tesla. Okay?
Love it, Steve. Love it.
Yeah.
IBKR is acting strange.
Yeah, I just saw the spike on Tesla.
Yeah.
Like for
Around
me, I would have been done trading already, right? Because I know the better part of my success is right at the opening, right? That 30-minute window. That's all I have to do what I need to do. Get in the market, bam, bam, bam. Or I do pre-market. Either way, whichever one is for you. But I have my strategy set up for 30 minutes. I could trade that 30 minutes. It's chaotic, but if you know what you're doing, you could make a lot of money at the opening when everybody is fearful and everybody is greedy. You just come in and watch what you're watching and watching what you need to do and watch for your setups and just capitalize on the market.
WBA, Steve.
It's not hard, but you just got to develop your strategy in order to be able to trade that. And just know that you can lose, but you also could win. Right?
Damn Apple.
You just got to know which one you want to do. VWAP break on Tesla.
Amen.
VWAP break on Tesla. Let's go, man. Look how long WBA is holding us at 24. We know something is happening at 24. We just need it to break. And if it doesn't break, we have our stop loss in. So, okay. We're going to play to the strength of it. Which one is it? Watch this level. The same thing is happening right here in Tesla. Watch this here. It's going to be the third bottom in tail, right? Let's see if it filled to the downside. We at the VWAP, okay?
Doesn't look like WBA is going to make it, Steve.
It's okay. We got our stop loss in.
Yeah, it already did the 50% retracement. So even Apple is going up, but Tesla needs to come down, baby.
Look at WBA. It wants to. Yes. Look at the resistance there. How many times? How many times?
23, 70, 67, 66.
My stop loss in. I'm ready. Market is undecisive, so just be patient. You have your stop loss in. You buy your stop loss. If you want to get out, you get out. You don't have to let the stock reach your stop loss. It's not a must that you have to let it reach there. But if you're having a trading technique, you gotta abide by that, right? Gotta abide by that.
There we go. Tesla down. There we go.
Tesla just broke the 200 SMA.
Good. Did we know that it was gonna break it, right? We knew, right? We just had to wait. We just had to wait, right?
SPY gone down.
Yes, sir.
Here we go. 239. There we go. Beautiful. But this Apple needs to come down.
Easy money, man. Easy money. Easy money.
Take some off.
WDB coming down to my stop loss. That's support level right there too. You don't come out on spike though. Congratulations to everybody that took partial on Tesla at the bottom.
I got me some candy money on that Tesla. Thanks, Steve.
Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna get Tesla big time today again. Don't worry. I eat already from Tesla this morning, so it's good. No worries. There's plenty of money in the market. Trust me.
Actually, I should have said lolly money for all
Yeah.
my international comrades.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, ENPH is killing me, man.
I already told you what to do with that. You can't get
I
out.
did.
Stuck.
I did. Wasn't enough. Don't have the balls to close off 18 grand.
Okay.
Now I'm down 40 grand. 47.
Yo, you think that's gonna come back to your level?
Was almost there, Steve. Was just short of $5, $6, $8.
Slow market.
Apple is doing the opposite of SPY.
What's going on with SoFi? Let's see if SoFi is.
I'm done with SoFi. I'd say that SoFi, small gain. Yeah, it's done. It reached its peak, 850.
See what SoFi is doing.
SoFi gave me 20 cents. Not much.
SoFi. Let's go. Got this accumulation up here on SoFi. SoFi was nice this morning. Look at that breakout at 840. Woo! Up to mama. All right, let's set up another break for SoFi. All right. I like it. I love it when it comes together.
What, SoFi over 850? I doubt it. Unless you want to short it.
Momentum in the market.
Hmm.
Set up break for SoFi. Okay. 840. Just wait for those levels on SoFi. 840. Let it do what it do. Let it stay in. Let it stay in what it's staying, right? 855. Okay. 855 is going to be the break, right? Look at Tesla. Remember what I'm telling you about Tesla? 8. Look at Tesla. I'll go back to Tesla to show you what I was looking at. So let us just stay right here. SoFi,
840 down.
840 short.
Yeah.
855 long. That's it. You ain't looking for nothing else. You're looking for what? 20 cents, right? 10 cents, 10-cent move. I mean, with the right share size, you definitely could make bank on SoFi. But that's what you're looking for.
ZJY got halted. ZJY held. Let's just have a look at it.
Right?
173. I got an order for
Right, look at
170.
Tesla. So the same thing I was telling you about what's happening at this area with Tesla. Look what's happening. It's happening, right? So we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 3 so far. Let's see if it's gonna bounce and then bounce right back up to the VWAP, right? Just pay attention. Okay. Stop. Bottom of this candle here on stop loss. Okay. Got it? Right here. So as the stock goes down, I'm bringing my stop loss down to minimize the loss if the stock decides to just turn and bounce, right? Okay. Let's look at your ZYJL. Halted, it says.
Yeah, no, leave it. It's altered. Just forget about it.
Is it halted to the upside? Here comes Tesla.
Downside. I think it's altered to the downside. 150 buying price, 165 sell. Yeah, it's altered to the downside.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Nothing in that right now.
Yeah.
I wouldn't trade that. That's a chart that I wouldn't trade. Look at it.
I don't-
This is consistent.
That's a Chinese stock too. Those guys
Watch,
are all
watch
over the
Tesla.
place.
Watch Tesla now. Watch Tesla now. Watch Tesla now. See what I'm talking about? Look at it. Look what's happening. All right.
I see what you're saying, Steve. So you're using that previous bounce. It's forming the same setup pattern and it's going to bounce off that line.
Yes, absolutely. I'm always watching, right? Not saying I could have took that VWAP break, right, and made some money, right? It's okay. It came back on me. I'm willing to give that up to Tesla, right? You got to give some back sometime, right? It's not all about take. The market
Right.
is going to take from you. Just know that. Knowing that what I'm going to lose on Tesla on my next trade, I'm going to make that back and then some, right? So I just got to be patient. That's all. Now, if I wanted to get that money that it was green, I could have done that. Just come out, boom, just scalping because this is what the market is giving us right now. Scalp for 20 cents, 50 cents, 30 cents, just like what we were doing yesterday. We could do that.
Yeah, I love scalping.
Yeah. So here we're back at the 240.65 again on Tesla. Remember here, see? Look. Let's just stretch this out for you again so you see. Here comes the level. Pre-market, right? So what you think is going to happen now? It needs to break this level to go more to the upside, right?
Right.
Resistance.
It's consolidating there, right,
Yeah.
Steve?
Yeah. So the trade was right to the downside, right? But I don't get out on spike, right? Even though I was green, I don't get out on spike, right? I don't.
Yeah, I think you said that yesterday in the video.
Right? So here we come. The same thing here happening here is happening right now. So if I want to scalp Tesla on the return, I go in with more share size. I'm going to take my share size out and add more share size to get that big scalp, and boom, I'm done, right? But let's see where it does at my stop loss. Stop loss here, okay? That means Tesla got to come up above and use the VWAP as support to break this level here, okay? And then 242 would be your target.
No, man. This IBK. Yeah. Yeah.
We're just looking for the right momentum. That's all. You could scalp Tesla. You could scalp it through the numbers. But you're looking for the right momentum to flow back in the market. Right now, it's not enough. So I would scalp.
Sounds good.
And
I've been
again,
scalping. I've been scalping Tesla to the downside all morning,
there
and
you
I'm
go.
looking at it. I'm looking at it, thinking the stock's going up. If I keep trying to do counter trend, I'm going to
Yeah.
get caught out. I'm going to get caught out.
Right.
So I've got to work
So
on changing that bias I've got.
you work, you maximize what works, right? And if it works for you, you just keep doing it and doing it, doing it, and doing it. That's it. Repetition.
Hey, Steve, so am I right in assuming that you like to use recent key levels with that example on Tesla, you're pointing out at the key resistance levels in the pre-market. So do you have a bias towards using the most recent levels of key resistance, key support for your regular market target levels?
It all depends. It all depends. It all depends on what the market is showing me at the time. Like for right now, there's no volume in the market right now, right? I gotta start looking as if what the chart is showing me at the moment, right? Not even going
Gotcha.
to the previous. I want to see what the chart is showing me right now, because the previous doesn't matter at that point.
Gotcha.
Mm.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay,
Right.
I see what you're saying, big dog. Thank you.
Yeah. Remember, some people, you gotta develop, you gotta own in on the chart, and then own in on what time frame fits you. You can't trade 1 minute and then go trade 5 minutes, go trade 15 minutes. You don't want to do that. You're not gonna find anything in those by being all over the place, right? You gotta own in on one and then direct your focus on the chart in that time frame and see what you could do, what the chart is doing, what the stock is doing in that time frame. And then you analyze it, and then you build your strategy up around that 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute, 2 hour, 1 hour, however time frame that suits you. Remember, some people come to the market and analyze the market and say, okay, I'm gonna look at the 1 hour time frame, and they have a setup, and they set up the stock for 1 hour. They don't do nothing. All they doing, they setting up and waiting for that 1 hour, right? And when that 1 hour hits, they're already locked and loaded with the amount of share size they want. And they're going in, boom. And for that, that's it. They're done. And that's how they trade, right? For me, I take the 5 minute chart because I don't think you need more than 5 minutes to analyze a stock. 1 minute is too short of a time frame to analyze a stock to get you. I normally use 1 minute for scalping if I'm going to scalp a stock with volatility, right? The
Yep.
1 minute time frame is perfect for that.
Yeah, I'm predominantly a scalper, Steve. So I use the 1 minute, and then I use the 5 and the 15 just to confirm key levels of resistance and support.
Absolutely. And think about it. You're a scalper. You could come in the market and scalp 1,000 times, right? 1,000 times. You could make
Right.
1,000 trade or 500 trade by just scalping. And depends on your share size. You know, you could come out of the market with 10, 20, 50 grand in a day.
I only got a
Multiply.
tiny account. I'm not up with you big guys yet, Steve.
You,
But
you
yeah.
know what I'm saying? You could come out the market with 10 grand a day times
Uh,
250 trading days. It can. It's possible.
I just need 1 day like that. If I can just do that in 1 day, it will be so good for me.
Well, hang with the
I,
Zen trade, and you know you could do anything.
I can't get it right, Steve.
We do it. We do it here every single day. Yes.
Yep. We stick with the big dog, Steve. I think he's gonna. The thing I like about your strategy, Steve. So I'm technically a scalper. I've been doing that for a while, but I want to diversify, and I like that you guys trade large caps. I've never really done that before, so that's my big focus in being here with you guys.
Yeah, I used to trade $2, $5 stocks before. I never had the balls to trade into those $400 stocks, $500 stocks. And with Steve, at least I can do that now. But now I just need to get my direction right. Sometimes I get most of the time I get a direction wrong.
I think
Just,
we're in the right place, guys.
just change the mindset. That's all.
SoFi, it's going up.
Look at coin. Look at coin. Beautiful.
SoFi wants to break out.
See that VWAP there on Tesla?
Yeah, market doesn't want to come down today.
WBA is struggling at that 24, I tell you.
Yeah, it's coming down to VWAP, Steve.
Yeah.
I think that was the peak. That was the top. 24 was the top. Unless you want to swing it for 2 days.
No swing trade. For the last maybe 4 years, I stopped swinging as much as I used to.
Why
I need
is
to.
that?
He sleeps well at night. True or false?
Now what?
You sleep well at night. You don't have to worry about what's happening with your stocks.
No, yeah, exactly.
Me, I wake up in the morning and I want to like, oh, what happened? What happened?
Yeah, that's why I'm not a swing trader.
I'm still holding APLS, man.
Man,
I'll get out of this APLS.
18 cents to go on WP.
So Steve, when you get time, just off the back of Yassine's comment on coin, because in the morning the price went below the pre-market. I think he went down by about 2%. What would have stopped you taking that as a short as opposed to waiting for it to come back and take it as a long?
Hold on, let me see what we're gonna do with this WB here. WB here. I got 13 cents to go. Get a significant break on WB. So we know that 24 is a big rejection area here. Okay, let's see. Got that. Back to the VWAP. All right.
Yes, APLS, let's go.
Got you on that coin situation. WB. See where we want to do. Come on. Holding us here in the middle here, huh? WB and Tesla. We got trapped. That's what you call a trap, guys. Tesla bounce off the VWAP. Okay, let's see where we go. In the meantime, let's look here. Let's look at the SPY, see why these stocks are doing what they do. How slow my chart. All right, Tesla. The SPY is moving. Let's see. No, not really. SPY already broke right? This was the broken level here. Yes, it is. It broke. Trying to find support here. So it broke. 70. Go back down here and find some support at this level here. 69.40. 69.40. All right, Tesla. 69.40. Tesla. So that's the SPY. All right, stop loss, Tesla. All right, let's go. We're above the VWAP. All right, Tesla. So we're back to where we were here on Tesla, that support and then bounce. So let's see if we get Tesla bounce through here. All right, let's go, Tesla. The SPY is weak, right? All right, let's go back to coin. Sold out, bought on Tesla. Slow chart, sorry about that. Okay, we're talking about what now? On this candle here, on the open, short?
Yeah, so he went below pre-market. So normally we say that if he goes below pre-market, That's idea for a short.
Mhm.
Why would you have not taken it as a short and waited for it to take it as a long on the return up, basically on the bounce?
Well,
So what
this
stopped
is
you taking it for a short? You know,
for short because I wanted. There's nothing stopped me from taking it for a short. It's just that I wanted the stock long, and that's why I took it long, right? If I miss a trade, right, I'm not going to chase it.
so would you? Okay, so you didn't take it for the short, then okay. So did you take it long after it posted the green candle then
Yeah,
on the
after it
bounce?
breaks down right there, right? Let's go back to show you where 452 to 152 is. 07. Right. So you see how it breaks down and then form this here. I want continuation to continue, but it pulled back, right? So it did pull back, it didn't come back and test this low, right? It formed another support above, right? Accumulate, support again, bam. That's when I took it. Okay.
Okay, so the short. So if I would have taken the short then after the first red, it posted a green.
Nah. You never do. Never do. Wait. Because this is where everything is accumulating right here, right? Sellers, people are dumping right here, right? I don't want to guess. I want to make sure. I want to see it in my direction, right? I know that as soon as the market open, two things is going to happen. This is what you're going to see. You're going to see a big spike like this because somebody dropped a load of money. Bam, right up. You got those big spikes. Bam, somebody open it up. And then bam, again, somebody sold. So whatever somebody bought it at the bottom and was trying to get rid of, sold out, right? And then that stock just spike up. And then the person that up top here was waiting for it to reach here and then sold out. And that's why you get caught in the middle. I don't want to get caught in the middle. And it happens. Trust me, it happens.
No, I believe you because it's happened to me. So would you wait for the first or not trade in the first 5 minutes? I suppose is another question.
If you're a new trader, I wouldn't advise it. I wouldn't advise it unless you know what you're doing.
I only know what I'm doing when he goes right.
Yeah.
I hear you.
You don't want to do it. That's just my advice. I was part of that. I learned my lesson.
No, I've done it a few times and I've done it right several times.
Listen,
but sometimes when it goes wrong, I don't get why it's wrong.
You gamble at that time. You're
Yeah,
gambling.
yeah.
You're gambling. You're gambling with your account. You want to lose money? Trade 5 minutes in the market, and you'll see what I'm talking about. You could blow up an account very easy.
I've only done that on the paper one.
Yeah, very
I'm
easy.
silly, but not that silly.
Yeah, you know, I've done that. Not knowing, but I had to lose in order to win now, right?
Mm-hmm.
I had to learn all that stuff. So I take and that's why I want to bring this to you guys, that I take the guessing out of it, right? I give it to you and let you know there's two things you could do. And that's what I'm going to do. If I'm setting it up, I'm going to do it. Win, lose, or draw, right? Because that's what my plan is. 9 times out of 10, even if you have the perfect setup, it's not always going to work to that setup. Trust me. But when it do, it's flawless. But when it don't, you have your stop loss in place to protect that, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have
Tesla's
to.
going. Tesla's
You have to.
Are you ready in it?
All right. Now, if WB broke that VWAP, you know I'm going short. Okay, we had 50. So that's my stop loss on WB, right? 50 cents, right? That's it. That's what I give it. That's it. 50 cents, right? So that's, I know I lost 2 grand, what, 1960 on WB, right? You don't think that I have trade skill enough to get that 19 back? That's if I want a revenge trade. You never want a revenge trade. You wait for the next setup and you attack it as such. Don't go back in the stock because and get emotional involved in the trade. Oh, I lost this. And go back right at it and don't approach it in another way. The next trade for this stock is coming down here, as you could see. Let's look at WB, right? It broke this level all the way down to support down this level, okay? If it's gonna break the VWAP or use the VWAP as support, all right? Let's make this a little, bring this up a little bit more. Look where the next support level is, right? Let's get this out. 10 minutes. Too many stuff. So slow. Okay. So now VWAP. This is VWAP, right? Look at this level here, VWAP. This is VWAP. It's used VWAP as a support before, right? If it's gonna break, it needs to break this level. That means it has to break through the VWAP to come back to the support level. So if I'm gonna wait for a trade WB to the short side and it's gonna give it up again, that's the level I'm gonna be waiting for. If not, this is the level I continue to wait for, 24. Right? That's it. If it's gonna give it up, I wanna see it give it up below this level here where it comes down here. Right? It was a resistance and then bounce right up. Resistant, pull back. VWAP again. Let's see what it does for VWAP. But I know 24 is critical for WB. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times it touched this level here. It's only 2 things is gonna happen. It's not gonna come back up here, right? Or if it does, it's gonna break that level. It has to, at some point. It could be from now until the close. That's if that's the stock you wanna trade. You're gonna have to wait, right? You have to wait. That's why I say you have to be patient. My 5 keys are, you gotta be patient, you gotta be disciplined, right? You gotta be consistent. And again, I got the passion for this. You can't just come into the market and just throw money and say, oh, I'm gonna get 10 grand. If you're doing that, man, give it to me and I'll do something with it. Because at that point, you're throwing the money away. Throw it to me. I'll do something with it. You know what I mean?
Steve, you can check on APLS.
APLS, look at Tesla now, right? We in the money. Easy money.
Yeah, you got me some more candy money on Tesla, Steve. Thank
Come
you,
on.
sir.
Come on, man. This is what we do in the Zen zone, baby.
Yeah, baby. Send the Zen Trader Zone. Yeah.
Yeah. Come on. That's what we do.
What's your
money.
target
Look at the target. Look at the target, right? That's the
for
target. Come on. Right? That's the target. And what I always say, somebody tell me. Somebody tell me. What I always say. Come on. This platform is so slow.
Yep, that's what you normally say.
You don't always have to wait for your target to take profit.
I love it, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it, man. You gotta have fun, man. You gotta have fun. You gotta have fun. Okay? You gotta have fun. Like I always say, pay yourself first. Pay yourself first, right? Because the market ain't gonna pay you, right? If you're waiting for the market to pay you, you're sadly mistaken. So pay yourself first. 3/4 out of the trade on Tesla. Boom! Yes! Right? We're in the money. Okay.
Nice bull flag on the 2-minute for Tesla.
Yes, sir. All right. We know what we know.
Guys, I need to leave. Sorry.
All right. Yes, sir.
Thanks again.
Yes, sir.
They want my attention. I need to go.
See you,
Yeah,
SA.
sure.
All
Okay.
right, see.
Easy money. So the next trade I'm going to be waiting for is WB. You already know. Okay. 24. And that VWAP break, right? Below that. All right. What's next? Anybody have anything else? BOL. BOIL. Stock pick up the day for sure. We made money today. All over the place.
Man, I love this group.
Love it. Love it. Okay, Tesla. Go ahead, big fella.
Some
Come on.
more candy on that Tesla, Steve.
Yes, sir. Well, let's boil. Waiting for boil to come up. Let's put boil down here. Just 34 on boil. Waiting on you, big guy. Sorry I wasn't there to take you over 33.70, but the next one is 34. Okay. Let's change it to 30. Oh, come on. Come on. See? I hate that. We could scalp. Boil over 34. I like that. Come on. I think this rebuild chart is so slow right now, my friend. I'm gonna miss this trade here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna miss this trade.
It's 34.08,
Ah,
34.11.
ah,
Pull back.
ah. Chart is so slow, brother. Yeah. Oh. 50 cents. We're looking for 50 cents. Okay. Risking 50 cents to make 50 cents. Okay, stop loss at this level here. Okay, coin. Done with coin. We can look for coin to go short, right? VWAP. Done with coin. Let's set this up here, 33.50. Risking 50 cents. Watch coin at VWAP. Stop loss target. All right. So we got one trade out of Tesla. We were green. Tesla broke. Okay.
I'm scalping it going down, Steve. Tesla.
Good for you. My platform is so slow. It's ain't trying to give Tesla back anything. Okay. That's it on Tesla. All right, we watch Boyle. Now, BOIL. Somebody let me know when coin hit 157, okay? Next break for coin, you know it's over 160. Just need market to give us some clear direction, right? BOIL, 50 cents. Let's get 50 cents to make 50 cents. Guys see anything? Looking at anything here? Refresh this here. Bears are still in control. Russell 2000 is red. S&P is red by a 0.01%. NASDAQ is already turning. Dow already turning. Red, $98 in Dow. Whoa, Dow gave it back up. Wow. Okay.
Riot's below the VWAP as well.
Riot.
Yeah, it's got a bit of room to run.
MSDR is let's look at MSDR. Let's look at MSDR. MSTR. Gonna have a cigar on Yasin honor. It's time to celebrate. Celebrate the new year. 3 days in a row. I'm gonna celebrate every day now. 3 days in a row. Friday will make number 4. All right. 650. $6.50. Go back on boil. Somebody took profit up there on boil. That pullback on that. Be like that, guys. Trust me. Be like that. Somebody up there waiting. They're just waiting to take that profit up. We just need a momentum shift. That's all. Sure. And that would be your target. MSCR is going to drop 4 points. Resistance. That's MSCR. Anything over this level here is going to be good on MSCR. Okay, what else we got? Anybody watching anything else? Edwin, what you looking at? Hold on. Hold on. Before you say anything, Edwin, hold on. Talk to me. Am I right?
You right?
This is for Edwin. I know Edwin. Edwin trade Carvana all the time. It's a money maker for you, man.
For real.
It's a money maker for you. Wow, look at boy. Wow. I hit up there on board, huh? That pullback. Let's get 50 cents on board. Make 50 cents. Carvana. Look at this. Double top, triple top. See what it has in pre-market here. It's an ugly chart pre-market. It's an ugly chart pre-market. Well, pull back at that 34, huh? Okay, Carvana. Pre-market. Wow, look at this level pre-market. Yesterday before close, we This is yesterday before close, right? Look where we at today. Sure. Look yesterday before close. Look where we at right now. So it's testing yesterday before closing, right? Test it again. Test it pre-market, right? Broke it, but look at the resistance during the day. Look at this level here. Okay, just trying to give you a little thing here. How I look at things. Then you'll get an idea how the Zen maximize these profits. Okay. So during the day, yesterday, let's change this color here. Yesterday during the day, it opened up and went as high as this level here, right? About 470, 440, 48. Right here, right? Rejected, pulled back down, and before closing, here we go. Look, we are today. So we know it can't go over this because it didn't break this yesterday, right? We needed to break this in order to go higher. But before it does that, I want to see it break yesterday before it closed. And that's the level I would wait. This would be my entry, that would be my target, right? I'm not looking for nothing else. If it breaks down, then I look for something to the downside, okay? Pre-market. I'm teaching here. This is what you will get coming as soon as we finish some paperwork. You know, when you're coming into the financial market, you gotta have the right paperwork, right? So the high, this is the highest. This is the low. Not taking this into account, I'm talking about the breakdown, okay? If we're gonna break this support level, it has to come down here, which already VWAP is already supporting this level. You see the VWAP over here is supporting this level here, pre-market. So if it's gonna break pre-market low, which is right here, right? It needs to break it here and then right down, okay? You're not looking for it to go all the way to the bottom. You're looking for it to go what? 40, this is what? 46, 67, right? I know, off here, 46, 70. You're looking for it to go back to 46. So you're looking for 70 cents. If it start ripping, right? So be it. Let it go down to the bottom and more. 3/4 out here. Let the rest ride. Right? Let your partial ride. Don't feel like you gotta get a home run every single time you make a trade. Basic. I love basics. My basic becomes a double. My double becomes a triple. Right? My triple become home runs like ZJYL, TOP, trades like that, right? Just gotta be patient, right? So if I'm looking for Carvana to break, yeah, I could go in here and maybe scalp it through here and through here. But look, if I get this out here. If I want to scalp Carvana, this is where I would want to have to scalp it through. This level here, right up top here. This 47, right? 47, and I'm looking for what? 20 cents with the right share size. with momentum. Remember, momentum and direction. Don't scalp if you don't have momentum and if you don't have volume, right? This candle here, if you're going to scalp Carvana, this candle, the previous candle, the next candle you're scalping have to be bigger than the previous candle in order to maximize that scalp, right? So that's it. So if I'm waiting for Carvana, that's what I would wait for, that 2 level. I'm waiting for here, 47.50, and down at the bottom and take it short. I'm not doing anything else. And as you could see, all these stocks that we've been trading today is just being bull trapped. You could scalp it for whatever you want it for. Look, 34. Which one we had at 24? WB, right? WB. Nothing on WB. Well, we wait. We wait. I don't know where I get the 10 shares from. It's just my platform bought 10 shares. I don't know why I bought 10 shares. Got a mind of its own. Why would I buy 10 shares? What else you want to look at, guys?
I was in Caterpillar earlier, CAT, and yesterday as well.
Yeah. Just taking basic. That's it. I'm waiting on CAT. 288, 286. You could go to VWAP and watch 286.80, and then from VWAP to 286.80 cents, you could do it like that, right? VWAP breakdown. That's one you could do. That's one option, right?
Okay. Yeah, I've been playing the VWAP with it.
Yeah, and then 86 would be your target, right? If it's going to use this level to support, I'm waiting for 88. That's it. Okay?
Gotcha. Thank you.
That's what I would do. I just, right now, you don't want to force any trades, right? Don't force nothing. And if you really want to break it, you know, you could go 87.50 to 88, make a 50-cent move, right? Make sense?
Gotcha. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
that's just within this range, but I like more, right? I need to see more. And again, it's all depends on your trading strategy, right? You could do that. I mean, when I'm lax and want to practice something, you know, I do small share size. I'm already green for the day, right? I'm not going to risk my account. And that's the thing you got to remember too. You have a plan, you make your money for the day, you put that aside, right? If you make more than what you say your plan to make for the day, use that little bit. Don't use any more. Don't use the profit that you already made. Use the little bit so you could get another trade. You get another trade, you're winning, you put some aside, you build on that, right? Use that other liquidity again to make another trade. The idea in the market is to make another trade. is not to come in the market and go all in it all at once, and then you don't have no more trade. You lost, right? And you don't have no more trades. You want to survive the market.
Yeah, I'm learning that now.
Okay? So, Kat, I would wait on that. And
Good
again,
morning, Steve.
good morning, good afternoon. Let's see, Mr. Walgreens. Okay.
You missed your NVDA today. Oh,
Oh, well, sometimes
you
I give
always play
NVIDIA,
NVDA.
sometimes I give NVIDIA a break, man. I traded NVIDIA for 2 years straight. Remember, I've been watching nice on boil, huh? Nice. Let's get it. Easy money. Easy money. These are the basics I'm talking about, guys. Basics. Basics. Ah, come on. Basics, right? Easy money. You know what we do over here. We take from the market. As Edwin would say, what you call it, Edwin? Talk to me.
Extract expert.
I love it, man. I love it. I love it. Come on. What is going on with this? Oh my goodness. I put boil to WB. What is that? Make me miss out on $200 there. Jeez. Three-quarters out on that trade. Let me go back to WB first. Make me mad. Let's go back to WB. This is what we want, right? We need WB. And then Wall could go back to my entry, and then that'd be that on that trade. Great trade. Basic, right? Basic. Mark. Welcome everybody on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Let you know when we're live in the Zen Zone. BOIL, we just took three-quarters out of it. Right, great trade. Anybody who took that trade. Now we're looking for WBA at 24, right? We need that. Come on. So we were looking for 50 cents, right? Yeah. Anything over that, we golden. Come on, 24 again, one more time. So everybody made money on boil, right? Yes, no, maybe so.
I missed.
I missed that trade too.
Okay.
But
I'm the
check
only
out
one.
Apple. Apple
I'm
kind of
the-
has the same setup as this.
Hold on. We're taking this one. All right. Let's look at half. I have that in the background. 11 cents to go. 10 cents. Hold on. Let me test this one first. You said Apple, right?
Yep.
We got 21 cents to go on that.
Apple above 82.50. Your computer's still slow.
It's slow, man. I don't know.
They're gonna wait till 83, or you think it's good at 82.50?
I just would wait, man. I need more development than Apple to take me over to this level here.
Well, that's where you take your partial right there, 83.
Yeah, 83. You could do that. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with that. For me, if I'm gonna take Apple, I want to see this level here. And again, I'm gonna say this again. We all trade different, right? Some people would take it there. I'm saying for me,
But
my
then it gets
strategy would
rejected
take
and
it over this
crashes
level
down.
here, over 83, right? My strategy will take me over 80. Now, there's other ways you could do that. It's not always you could say this is the law. It's not the law. It's not written in stone, right? Another thing you could do, look pre-market, right? Let's get another line in here to give you another scenario, right? I'm just trying to dissect this for you so you understand there's different ways to approach the market, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna enter here. It's another way, right? We're gonna enter here. That will be your target,
50
right?
cents, yep.
That would be your target, right? If you're gonna wait for here, right? This is where you gotta wait for the stock to come up to this level, to this support here. Right now, it's resistant. Look, resistance. It's support. Previous support becomes later resistant, right?
Mm-hmm. Sure does.
Later resistant become future support, right? Here we are. This is support, future resistance. Okay? So you could do this and look at the opening, what Apple did. Apple did break up and then got rejected up here at the 183, right? And pull back. So if Apple is going to test this level again, I want to see it break this level, right? I want to see it break it. Even if I don't, let's look at.
But it does have momentum though, doesn't it?
But it's not strong enough. So that's why you got to wait for the stock to develop, right? You got to wait for it to develop, right? Got to.
Well, if it's not my weight, I just miss it.
That's the thing. You got to wait, right? So, for example, you're going to take it here and you really want it here. So you build a position here. You could build a position here with the right momentum. right? With volume. You could build a position. Say if you want to get in here half your share size or quarter. Okay?
So if I
Okay.
get in with 100 shares, how much shares should I buy? 50?
I don't know. If 100 shares, do 50. If that's what you're trading,
Yeah,
right?
that's what I usually trade Apple with.
Okay. Look,
And I just
I could
play
do
with the
this.
50
If
cents.
I'm gonna scalp this here, watch this here. I'm gonna scalp this here, right? Say I'm gonna scalp this here, right? My stop loss is gonna be right underneath the bottom here,
So which one? 82.15?
right here. Okay.
Oh wow,
I'm not giving it any more than that, right?
well,
Look, right here. I know that the support right here, okay? Because that's where it breaks from, right? Look, right there. Not any more than that,
okay.
right? That's it. Okay?
Oh wow, you bought 4,000 shares? Crazy.
But that's what I'm saying. With the right amount of share size and you're scalping, that's it, right?
Well, I can never get 4,000 shares on Apple. I mean, not yet. I will.
You will.
I
You
will.
will. If you keep at it, you will. At some point, you will. I wasn't
Okay.
green every day. It took me a minute to get here. I'm 8 years deep, right? You got to put the work in. You got to put
Tesla
the,
crack. Tesla cracking down, Steve.
hold on there.
And I have a question. How come you want to say sell partial at 83.07 or something like that, right? How come
I'm
you don't put a
scalping. I'm
limit?
scalping. I'm scalping.
You're
I'm
scalping. So,
scalping. If I was holding it, I was just telling you how I would do it, right? If I was gonna buy at this level, this is what I would wait for. I was just giving you an example, scalping it right here. Right? But look, that's a nice base hit, guys. Right?
Catch you guys tomorrow. I've got to go.
All right,
Thanks.
Andy,
Have a good one.
good
Bye.
stuff today. Yes.
See you, Andy.
Thanks.
Okay. Boom. Nice. On Apple. Even with 200 shares, it don't matter. It don't matter your share size. Right? It's there. Look, the previous candle. This candle is bigger, right? There you go. The next one. This one got to be bigger than this one to the upside. Boom, target. Money. Right? That's what we got to do. Give me one that jacked up. So, oh, man. Hold on, all right. Hold me down real quick there, Mark. Hold on.
You got it, bro. So Kiwi, what were you used to trading?
I'm just scalping Tesla, boss, taking it
No,
up
but
and down.
you said you weren't doing big caps before.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, I wasn't really a large cap guy. Was mostly, I like to target low floats, high volatility stocks. Where there's a lot of volatility with these low floats.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's pretty much I got setups just for around that kind of thing. I like to trade pre-market and right at the open. Same thing Steve's talking about. The first hour of power, and that's about it.
Yeah. So what do you mean when you do pre-market? You do where are you at? Are you in the States?
Yeah, I'm in the States. I'm up in Montana.
So do you do the 4 a.m. open immediately?
No, unfortunately, I'm with TOS, so yeah,
Oh yeah,
I
you
don't
can't do
start
it.
filling orders till 7.
Yep. Yeah, Weeble you can do it for.
Yeah, I'm actually gearing up to go across to Cobra. Take on their promotion. They got a promotion going right now. To go join those guys. So yeah, I've been deciding between them, a couple other guys in the other chat room I'm in, use Weeble. But yeah, so it sucks because I can't do any locates with TOS. So
Yeah.
that's why I want to go to a proper broker and use Dash as well to build those fancy hot buttons.
You see how fancy Zen is, right?
He's
There's
badass,
nothing.
dude.
There's nothing.
Badass.
He's the man.
Yeah.
200. I mean, you came at the beginning of the year, but last year he did 250 days straight green
Wow.
every day
Wow.
and
Wow.
significant green, not just green to just to say, hey, I had a green day. Significantly green.
Gotcha.
Have you
Gotcha. Yeah.
followed? Have you seen the YouTubes? Have you seen like the thumbnails and the collage
Yeah.
of
Yeah,
of his
absolutely.
wins? Yeah.
It was actually Greekstar actually put me onto him about
Oh,
2 weeks
okay.
ago. And
Gotcha.
so yeah, I started watching all the thumbnails and getting a feel and then just seeing yeah, the way the big dog does it with large caps. And then I decided to watch a couple of the actual zooms and just kind of get down in the weeds and see how you guys roll.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh man, yeah, this guy's he's the real deal.
There's
Yeah,
nothing on his
so
screen though, other than the MACD and some volume. I mean, or RSI. He doesn't use them both at the same time. A lot of times, the MACD and RSI. There's no Fibonacci's. There's no retracement. There's no channel play. I mean, it's all. I mean, he's like in the machine.
yeah, yeah, he's like it's like he sets the key levels of resistance. He sets the key levels of
Oh
support.
yeah, yeah.
That's the other thing I loved about it was yeah, it wasn't the fancy indicators. It's old school, looking for key levels of resistance and support. Um, and that's where it all began, right?
Yep.
And then everything came after that. So yeah, I
He's
just I could tell when I saw that I was like, yeah, this guy he's the real deal right here.
and patience. Whew, I'm still learning the patience part.
I hear you, brother. I hear you. I actually did a I was naughty. I got a little bit greedy this morning at the open. I took a few snipers on MINM
Oh,
and
you did, yeah.
and pre-market and nailed it. And then I ended up giving that back, but I held on from the open for about 40 minutes till I could get out green. So that was a little bit of a nerve wrack. But yeah, that's one thing I definitely noticed in his videos is he likes to hold um, and just read the chart, which
Believe
is
in the trade, he says. Believe in the trade.
believe in the trade. I love it. I love it. I like it, dude. It's yeah, I want to add that to my to my skill set. And yeah, I'm very grateful Grace to putting me on to y'all.
Yeah,
But
we'll
yeah,
see him in a couple days. Gregster.
he's busy. He's busy
Yeah.
right now.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I think he's busy with work and all. But yeah, dude. Um, yeah, talking to the choir here, I can see the goods for myself.
Oh yeah, he's the real deal.
He's pretty
Like,
badass. I love it,
yeah,
man. And
it's fun.
it's there like there's a great bunch of guys here too, which is, you know, I think that's half of it with a chat room that you like. You know, you've got a vibe with the guys, and they got a vibe with you. So I like the zine feeling in here, bro.
Yeah, we're all here to help. I mean, we're trying to be cohesive. He'll throw out numbers and say, "Hey, watch this," so that we can all participate. You know, so we don't miss a trade because your eyes can only be on so many things at once.
Right.
Yeah, like Mark said, one common goal: stay green.
That's it. But in,
Beautiful.
in in the pursuit of green, you have to balance that patience. It can't always be about, hey, I gotta stay green today. Let me take the trade off the table, and then it shoots up. Or if you're short, it shoots down, and you're like, oh man, that was a double. Or, where you just took a little bunt just to be green. So there is a balance. There's definitely a balance, and it's different from scalping. I was scalping MINM this morning as well, and I did the same thing. Yeah, like uh-oh. Where he'll just sit there and, okay, I'm waiting for my number, and if it doesn't quite get there, he'll take it out. He'll take his three quarters, and it'll be a successful trade. You know.
Yeah. Yeah, copy. That was a bit of a ride this morning at the Open. But everything has just been crazy, you know.
Oh yeah.
These last few days with no, none of the big dogs, the institutional guys not here. It's just been everything seems to be just crashing, which is
Oh yeah.
a short seller's dream.
Yeah, I thought it was for sure just gonna be the rug pulled out this morning. So I was just scalping Tesla,
Yeah,
scalping Nvidia, um, and then I didn't hold on to anything. I
gotcha.
didn't hold on to my coin. I didn't hold on to my Tesla, and they just kept going up and up and up.
Yeah, I need to. That's one of the reasons I want to join the group. Mark is to be able to, just trade those trade large caps and just be able to read the chart really good, and know when to hold and when to get out. I
Yeah,
like it, dude. I mean, dude, I've been scalping since I've scalping Tesla, up and down since I've been with you guys, and it's nice. I've never scalped it or taken it long for that matter. Like I say, I never traded big caps, large
the
caps.
big caps. What do you like at the three? You like the $3-4 ones or lower?
I'm a five to minimum $3 to $15.
Uh-huh.
That's pretty much my target area because that's hugely volatile. And so I want something with a lot of liquidity where I can get in, um, and then get out. Yeah, somewhere around the top.
Nice. We'll give you a little different flavor in here,
I
and
like it, dude. I
you'll
like it
see.
already.
He'll take those. He'll take those trades too. I mean, and he'll take them like he loves IPOs. I mean,
Okay.
if you ever looked at some of his IPOs, like Tops, he made like 700K just that one
Oh my
one
goodness.
day. Within, I mean, maybe an hour or so. It
Wow.
went up, and I think that started at a $7. It went to like $75.
Oh man, that's what we want, right?
Yeah,
I
but
mean,
see, the
that's the
true
full
scalper
account
would
right
have been
there.
out. The true scalper would have been out. You're not going to take
Right.
something 775 and the first sign of it pulling back. Okay, I'm done. You know.
Yeah.
But yeah, he
So,
rode that one. That was a good. And that was all on video that day.
wow.
It was, we
Yeah.
got quite a few of them like that on Zoom, and that's the whole reason why we live stream to YouTube as well.
Gotcha.
ZJYL was a good one too.
Oh yeah, right, Rashawn? Yeah.
Yeah, I remember
Oh,
that.
dang. I got bid on that one. I took it in the morning and then I got bid on that later in the day. But yeah. So hearing you guys say you took that and came out green on that is pretty badass. Those Chinese stocks, man, they seem to mess with me.
Let's see, the last like 9 days of the year he traded that for like 600.
Hey,
Oh
check
wow.
out OMGA.
What's that, Edwin?
OMGA.
OMGA?
Oh yeah, I took that this morning.
Oh yeah,
That
that
was
was
a
this
good one.
morning too. Yep.
Coming up to be what?
I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Okay, what's the deal? What we got here? Tesla testing that level one more time, right?
OMGA.
Which one?
Check out OMGA.
OMGA. OMGA. Tesla testing that level one more time.
Yep.
Oh man. Let me see something. OMGA. Come on, what's going on? Oh, OMGA. Watch that Tesla. Is anybody trading that Tesla at that level again?
Yeah, I'm in it, Steve. I'm scalping it all the way up and all the way down, partner. I'm
Yeah,
back in going long.
yeah, that's it, man. That key level, that's it, man. You could do that all day, every day. As long
Yeah,
as
that
it's showing.
that blows me away, dude. I mean, yeah, I've made a nice little bit of coin just in this short time being with you guys.
Yeah, man. Good stuff. I love it. All right. OMGA. What we got here? $5. 545. Hmm. We're in the range right now. All right, let's set this range up here. Got a VWAP breakdown. I'm here for another 30 minutes as I gotta turn over the studio over to the wife here in 30 minutes. But let's see here. I'll go through this real quick. We need some more volume coming into this here. I'll go look at something else too as well. JFBR, what about JFBR? All right, so we're in a channel right here with OMGA, right? Around this, what, $5 level here to the downside, right? It's up 98%. As far as, let's see how far it went today, 3 more. 644. Okay. All right, so it's gonna come in and break higher. That's where you want it to go, right? Break over this level, right? $6. And then 44 cents to 650 would be target. That's what I would do. That's what I would do on this Omega thing. Stop. Sorry about that. My platform is slow. It's slowing me down, brother. That's what I would do on this Omega thing.
Morning, guys.
Stop.
Miss
Morning.
you. Miss you guys. It's been a while.
Been a while, man.
Morning, morning.
Oh, it's slow. It's slowing me down, brother.
Oh,
Happy New Year to you, man.
thank you, thank you. OMGA, hey?
See what this here, and nothing going on in it right now. I would say if the a VWAP break looks good. A VWAP break looks good to this 560. You'll be looking for 40 cents to $6 on a VWAP break.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, anything over that, I mean,
Hey,
good, but we sit underneath the VWAP and we can volume coming in for that to happen. But that's what I would watch. Right now, we're in a channel since what? Pre-market. Look at it. You can't even break this level. Look how many times you attempt $6. I broke it one time with the solid part of the stock here. That's about it. After that, pull back, then break it. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Test it a couple times. Tried to test it a couple times here. Broke through. Right. Test it again. Test it again here. Pull back. So every time it get to $6, it pulled back. Let's look at the daily, see what's gonna happen here.
Omega.
I like that. $6 is attainable. It's a gap up. Look at that gap down. If it's gonna come down and fill the gap. But I like the $6. If it's gonna break, I'll wait for $6. Look at the stop loss without even looking at the daily. Didn't even know that it gapped up, but look, man, you can't get more accurate than that. But that's it. That's it for Omega. Let's look at JFBR. Somebody had put that out there, right? JFBR. Nothing. $4.
Steve, check RVPH. I held this since December 28th and look at it now.
Which one?
RV PH. Yeah, PH. I held this since December 28th.
That's awesome. You're in it. What's your entry?
Around 490, 480 something. You see? 479.
Wow. Good for you, man. You're paying off right now.
Slowly, but it's kicking in.
$5.90, that's $6 is the next resistance level for it.
Yeah.
Look at it.
That's one heck of a swing trade. Way to go.
Yeah.
And who make money on Paul for the last 2 days?
POL?
POL.
Yeah, we made some money on POL.
I bought 1,000 shares last week, and I swing trade that till Monday yesterday. Oh man, it was a good swing.
Good for you.
You challenged me. 250 days green.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody's green yesterday.
Everybody was green yesterday.
That's good.
Everybody green today too. So that's 3 days since the year started. All right?
Yeah, I just started my day today, this morning.
Okay.
Busy, so busy in the hospital.
Yeah. POL. Nothing right now on POL.
POL is good on downside, short.
Yeah. Down 20%. don't see much in it now. Instead, look at the RSI. Needs to break back over the 50 or more. Yeah, so you got to get up to 895. That's just my take here. One more upside.
Check out MOBX.
Oh yeah, we were watching this morning. We trade this morning. It was good this morning. Maybe it's time for it to run. Is it running now?
About to reach the day's high.
Nice. Oh, it's a reversal.
Oh, all right, we broke. Oh man, who was in charge of MOBX? Somebody was. We were waiting for that. My bad. The next break is $5.
It's coming.
Man, we missed that, Mark. That was the break, $4.
I see that. Yep.
Man. All right, let's see here.
So many plays today, huh?
See if we could make some money on this thing here, but 5 slow. Jeez.
Fail.
$0.05. Gonna watch this trading. This would be my last trading. All right, so the setup is here. Over this 475 here, $5. Get it to $5. Anything more than $5, we good, right? And watch Apple at 183. Thank you on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for me. Hit the notification bell, let you know when I'm live on the channel. Also, hit the like button, leave a comment, come on into the Zoom. The link is in the chat here on YouTube. Come on over into the Zoom channel where you find no lag time. So this is what I would wait for here. This 475 and scalp it through 5. Okay, we need some momentum here. $4.68. That's what we're sitting at now. Ready for somebody to buy up. and volume coming up 54% on this stock. Big scalper. Let's watch it. See if we could get it over the top here. 470. Got rejected. Pull back, find support. And back at that $4 short, right? Just wait, sit and wait. Right? That's all. That's all, if that's what you want to trade. So this is the channel. We know that. It established that. Came up. Use the 4 as resistance, right? And as well, you got to keep in mind that the VWAP is here too as well, right? Using the VWAP as support as well. And just ride that VWAP. That's all it's been doing. And then bounce again. All right, ride the VWAP, bounce again. And pull back a little bit. Let's see, got rejected. Same thing here. Rejected, rejected. So we know this $5 area here, 475, $5. This is the area here. So if the volume start coming in to push this stock up, this is where I would want to start to build that position or wait for $5. But if I'm gonna do anything in this stock, I'll rather scalp it from breaking through here, if it does get that. As you can see, there's some pullback on. Okay. Let's go back to boil. Well, you know now. There's a pullback. I could go back since I got about 13 minutes. I'll keep my eye on it. And just go to these stock picks. Just in case anybody wants to trade it later. Well, was good this morning. Nice pullback, right? Hit our target and pull back. Boom. Look at that. Oh man, look at that reversal. Can't beat that. 34. Wow. 50, right? Just 50 cents. That's all. Boom, bam, boom, bam. That's it. Either way you win. This there, VWAP, back to your target here. Right? That's it. Let's see what it does here at this level. VWAP, breakdown, that's your target. That's it. If it's coming back up, back at 34 again, that's it. All right? That's your target. Play it the way the market is giving it to you. The setup is already there from purple to purple. Anything below this purple, you're golden. 3/4 out here, let the rest ride. Enter here, 3/4 out, you keep going, bam. That's it. All right. Let's do SoFi. SoFi wasn't doing anything earlier. Maybe it developed. So slow. I thought 2024 I would have a better chance at this thing here, Mark. Look at SoFi. Wow, she broke, baby. Look at that, she broke. Look, broke. So now 860 is the next one, right? $860 is the next one. Now you know. All right. $860 is the next one. Now we go short, right? This is your target, VWAP. Okay. That's your target on SoFi to the downside. Upside, break. Downside, target, VWAP. $860. 2 cents to go for $860 break. So keep eye on that. It's Tesla. Yeah. All right, Tesla. Keep eye on that MOBX though. Okay, we're waiting for that one. That's 475. Tesla. 240.65 back down, right? $240.65 back down. Okay. Target 240. So you're looking for 65 cents profit, right? That's what you're looking for. With the top being the top of this candle being your stop loss. Okay? Gotta break through that VWAP though on Tesla. There you go. Boom. We already had Tesla set up already. So that's all you're waiting for. Break this level again. That is your target. How many times? Here we go. Here we go. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Patience. Patience. Ain't no volume in the market, so that's why these stocks are trading like that. Just be patient. Coin. Coin. With that coin. Same thing, right? Boom. Pull back. You already know. below 157, we're taking that short. Okay? Right to the top there. Okay? $157, $156. You're looking for a dollar to the short side. Breakdown in the market. As you can see, it's using the VWAP here at the top here for support. So let's be mindful. We know if the market change direction at 160, going to be good for our point. All right, and the stuff that we've been watching today is that MINM. Gonna have a pullback in the market.
I think your system's getting slower.
Yeah. Look at MINM. What a pullback. Nice. Coming back for this stuff. So right here. Right here at this level here, this 450, right? I'll watch it 450. Okay, 450. That's a major level to break upside. Now, if it changed direction and you want to start early, you can watch this other key level here. Right now, it's to the downside, as you can see. It's melting away. Okay. But if there's any type of reversal, ain't nothing wrong with $4, guys. Okay. I would watch $4 as it tried to make some support here. Support, breakdown, or support and bounce. $4. Right now, ain't nothing happening. You may have a better chance in MOBS, $4. MOBX at 475.
Everything is so slow.
Yeah.
I'm watching this since this morning, the Spotify. It didn't break. It break, but failed.
Yeah. Remember, it's the first week of the year, so when you're trading for a long time, you'll find these type of day in the market. Plus, it's 2 o'clock. You're gonna get some action in the market at 3. So this is how I would set up MINM. Enter 450, right? The top. Looking for 50 cents, right? If the volume come back in the market. $4, 450, anything above this level you go with, right? And keep going and so on and so on, right? So that's all my stock pick of the day. Tomorrow I'll find some more. It's Friday, we're gonna celebrate. Yasin ain't here, so I'm gonna have a cigar on his honor. Another green day. How many people have been green today in the chat? How many of us?
Me.
Green.
I'm green.
I am.
2, 3, myself, 4,
Yes, sir.
5, Mark,
JP.
6, JP is more green. Ashad, you green today?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm green.
Edwin, you're green today for sure.
Yeah, I'm green. I'm green.
Rashawn is green. Ashad, you're green.
Yes, I'm green.
What I'm talking about. Kiwi, you've been green today, right?
Yeah, you got it, big dog, and I'm making some more candy green with your Tesla, big dog.
Nice.
Thank you.
Nice.
I'm scalping that boy all the way up, all the way down.
Yeah, easy money.
Easy money, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Just that key level back and forth, man. That's it.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna be watching this stock here. We'll see what MIM does. It's still breaking down. It picks up a little bit more down here. Okay, but $4 is a key level there. If you want to do it earlier, you'd have to wait for this level here. It's 375, 25 cents to $4, right? And that could be one. So 350 stop loss, right? 375. So that's a 25 cents stop loss, right? This is what you could do right here. Another setup, but I really want, what I'm looking for is MOBX over that 475. But this MINM, I give you a setup that I would like to take. Stop loss. And don't forget about the $4, you know what I mean? No. I eat garlic in my food. All right, so stop loss down at the low, 350, right? If we get some volume, we could break this level here, right? And your target would be right here, right? If the volume comes back into the stock, 375 to $4, right? That's the only option I see. Look for 25 cents. Don't look for anything more than that. You'll get it. It's when you looking for more and you don't get it, then it becomes disappointing. Small bits at a time. Right? So I'll say 375. To $4. And I'll watch that there. If not, if it fails, I'm not gonna do it. I need it on the upside. Okay? Sitting on the RSI 35 right here. That's where it's sitting. I need a bounce through 50. That's what we need. We need this kind of bounce here. See that 50 here? We need something like this to get back up here. And that will be good. So I want to thank everybody. 2 o'clock, I gotta switch over. My lady does traffic, so she gotta make sure everybody's safe on the road, you know. So thank you. Another
Thank
year.
you, Steve.
Another year.
See you, Steve.
Green, thank you. I appreciate you. Welcome back.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you very much.
Welcome, welcome.
See you.
Yes, sir.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Yes,
See you
sir.
guys tomorrow. Thank you.